हाँ।
चलिए जी। वेलकम वेलकम। ईट स्लीप ड्रिंक क्रिकेट में स्वागत है। और हमें तो अभी सच मतलब दुख मनाने का मतलब अभी आई थिंक वी हैव गॉट अ हैंग ऑफ इट कि दुख कैसे मनाएं करके कई दिनों से ट्रॉफियां जो होती हैं दुख मनाते रहते हैं।
हाँ।
आज भी दुख मना रहे हैं। कोई टेंशन नहीं है, मतलब अब आदत हो गई तो दैट्स फाइन, दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन। स्वागत करते हैं पहले भास्कर का, जो टेनिस खेल के भाग भाग के जाके 15 मिनट में नहा धो के कोट वोट पहन के टाई वाई लगा के आ गए हैं। अभी ये नहीं पता कि नीचे क्या पहना है करके। वो पता मूवीज में दिखाते हैं ना, जैसे कोट पहना और नीचे पता नहीं कच्छे में बैठा है। ऐसा हो सकता है,
वो बाद
नहीं
में
पता।
दिखाऊंगा। वो
वो नहीं, कोई नहीं कोई नहीं नहीं
बाद
नहीं।
में दिखाऊंगा, मैं शो
ये
होने के बाद
फैमिली शो है,
दिखाऊंगा।
ये फैमिली शो है, ठीक है, हम मानते हैं। और
नहीं, इतना भी नहीं,
अभिजीत
फैमिली के हिसाब से पहना है मैंने।
अभिजीत तो मतलब वो थोड़े से मतलब आदमी जब बहुत ज्यादा दुखी हो जाता है तो मतलब हंसी कुछ ज्यादा ही निकलता है। तो वैसे वाली
हाँ।
हालत उनकी वैसे है।
करेक्ट।
और मेरा तो ऐसा है कि
करेक्ट करेक्ट
मतलब
करेक्ट।
मुझे तो हरास करने के लिए व्हाट्सएप पे बहुत सारे लोग आते ही रहते हैं। तूने बोला था इंडिया जीतेगा, तूने बोला था ऐसा होगा, तूने बोला था वैसा होगा, ये देख ये है तेरी इंडिया की हालत। मैंने बोला तेरी भी तो इंडिया है बे करके। तो मेरी भी यही हालत है, तो मतलब दुख के कई मायने हैं जो हम ये कवर करके आ रहे हैं। चलिए, बहुत ही घटिया सा जो हिंदी स्पीच मैंने दिया उसको छुपाते हुए हम जाते हैं बीजीटी की तरफ। बॉर्डर गावस्कर ट्रॉफी। तो मैं एक छोटा सा सवाल करूंगा, उसके बाद एक्चुअली रिव्यू करेंगे। बॉर्डर गावस्कर ट्रॉफी जब ट्रॉफी दिया गया तो बॉर्डर तो आ गया लेकिन गावस्कर नहीं आया। थोड़ा क्रिकेट ऑस्ट्रेलिया मतलब कुछ ओवर नहीं कर गया कि बॉर्डर जब इंडिया आता है तो वो करता है, वो देता है, वो रहता है। बोलिए बोलिए भास्कर, आप ही बताइए।
देखिए, इसके पीछे एक पहले से एक प्री प्लान्ड एग्रीमेंट था। गावस्कर वांटेड टू बी देयर, बट वो एक एग्रीमेंट था। गावस्कर आल्सो टोल्ड अबाउट दैट एग्रीमेंट दैट according to Cricket Australia and Channel 7, they had decided that if Australia wins, it will be border giving it. And if India wins, will give it. So that was the agreement. Gavaskar also came to know about it a bit later. So he was expecting to be there, but that was the agreement apparently. So that's exactly why it was Alan Border and not Gavaskar. There is no reason, because if you see Gavaskar, Shastri, all of them have carried it. Okay, even Harbhajan Singh carried it. So I don't think that any particular reason to avoid him. It was just decided that way. So that's how they went ahead with it. So I don't think we need to look too much into it.
नहीं, मैंने ये पॉइंट ही इसलिए लेके आया ताकि हमारी जो अंदर एक वेनम है ना वो बाहर आ सके। तो ऐसे छोटी छोटी बातों का भी हम अपना जहर बाहर निकाल सकें, इसीलिए ये
हम्म।
एक्चुअली ये पॉइंट मैटर करता ही नहीं है। लेकिन मैं लेके ही इसलिए आया, थोड़ा एंगर से करें।
हम्म।
आप
हम्म।
अंग्रेजी में बोल के इंग्लिश में बोल के उसको मतलब सोफिस्टिकेटेड स्टाइल में काफी ये कर दिए। चलो, तो हम पॉइंट को ड्रॉप कर देते हैं। तो बॉस, सीन ये है कि हम हार गए हैं 3-1। ठीक है, 3-1 हारना ठीक है। आई मीन, मैंने भी कहा था, भास्कर ने भी 3-1 कहा था, लेकिन हमने 3-1 बोला था एट द एक्सपेंस ऑफ व्हाट हैपेंड एट होम विथ न्यूजीलैंड। हमें वो लग रहा था कि एक जीत जाए बहुत बड़ी बात है, ये होम सीरीज में 3-0 है तो उधर क्या करेगा करके। बट यू स्टक योर नेक आउट। अभी जीत, आपने बोला था कि मैं अभी नहीं बोलूंगा लेकिन मैं ये फर्स्ट टेस्ट होने के बाद बताऊंगा कि हुआ क्या करके। फर्स्ट टेस्ट जीता, आपने कहा कि इंडिया शुड एक्चुअली विन 3-1, बट 2-2 लुक्स लाइक दैट। 2-2 पे भास्कर ने भी बोला कि 2-2 हो जाएगा शायद। मैं बोला कि मुझे नहीं पता भाई, लेकिन हो सकता है 2-2 हो जाए आराम से, कोई इतना बड़ा इशू नहीं है, क्योंकि एक्सपेक्टेशन ये था कि मेलबर्न का टेस्ट हम शायद जीत जाए और वो मेलबर्न के टेस्ट पे हम आएंगे एक्चुअली। सो सीरीज की बात करें तो 3-1 looks on the paper looks like it was a very comfortable win for Australia, but it was not comfortable. It was a it actually rallies back to 2018 when India lost 4-1 to England, but at no point it was 4-1. It was a very close series, especially the first and the fourth test in England. दोनों से कहीं भी जा सकता था। सो भास्कर, मैं आप ही से स्टार्ट करता हूँ। आप टाई वाई पहन के आए हैं, तो पहला आप ही को मतलब ऑनर्स दूंगा कि आपको इस सीरीज के बारे में क्या बोलना है, क्या सोच है आपकी। एंड जस्ट स्पीक अबाउट द सीरीज, विल कम टू व्हाट शुड बी
या
डन लेटर। ठीक है, वो
ठीक है।
आप वो है।
देखिए, शुरुआत में ऐसा था कि मेरे जो अ, मम्मी के ममेरे भाई हैं, वो मेलबर्न में रहते हैं। तो उन्होंने बोला था आ जाइए आप मैच देखने। जो मेरे मामा हैं, बट मेरे से एक ही साल बड़े हैं, तो काफ़ी हम दोनों का मतलब काफ़ी अच्छी दोस्ती है। तो मेरा प्लान था जाने का। तो बट ड्यू टू अदर रीजंस, और स्पेशली आफ्टर व्हाट हैपेंड इन न्यूजीलैंड, अगेंस्ट न्यूजीलैंड, आई थिंक इन इंडिया, और थोड़ा सा मूड ये हो गया था कि इज इट रियली वर्थ गोइंग। सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ गोइंग टू एशेस। सो इसी वजह से इसी बात पे एक गाना मुझे याद आ रहा है कि जाने क्या ढूंढती रहती है ये आंखें मुझ में, राख के ढेर में शोला है न चिंगारी है। बस वो राख का ढेर बचा है ताकि अगले साल एशेस देख लें। बट वैसे लग रहा है, मतलब काफी सॉम्बर एटमॉस्फेयर है। मतलब सी द थिंग इज, मुझे 3-1 इतना इतना मुझे बुरा नहीं लग रहा है एक्चुअली। 3-1 इफ यू सी, अगर अगर इफ आई हैड, मुझे अभी भी ज्यादा बुरा लग रहा है वो जो होम टर्फ पे हम न्यूजीलैंड जैसे टीम से 3-0 हारे। एजाज पटेल और सैंटनर को हमने कोई शेन वॉर्न और मुरलीधरन बना दिया। मुझे उस चीज का ज्यादा दुख है। मतलब we were discussing, I was discussing with Abhijit that Indian bowlers, like he was saying that Indian spinners did not do well. I don't agree with it. Ashwin did not do up to his expectations, but Indian spinners did reasonably well. If you देखा जाए तो Washington Sundar and Jadeja did what he usually does. तो वहीं से मुझे ज्यादा तकलीफ हो, क्योंकि हमने सैंटनर और एजाज पटेल को इतने विकेट दे दिए। उसके बाद से आई थिंक आई ऑलवेज हैड दिस 3-1 वाज अ फीलिंग, बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ इंडिया, आई वाज श्योर दैट इंडिया इज नॉट गोइंग टू लूज 5-0 or 4-0. So I think even after they won that one test, I felt 2-all or 3-1 is the best result that's going to happen for India. 4-0, 5-0 नहीं हारने वाला। India winning 3-1 was surely not on cards for me. But at best 2-1 was the possibility, India अगर जीतना है तो, which India could have done if two things had gone in India's favor. Uh, if India had batted like bit sensibly, Melbourne Test, we had no business to lose. We were very lucky, if you see, in Gabba to get away. बारिश आ गया, आकाशदीप ने जो खेल लिया, रन्स बना दिए। उसके बाद भी फॉलो ऑन नहीं, बचने के बाद भी अगर बारिश नहीं होता तो शायद इंडिया वुड हैव बीन अंडर प्रेशर। सो इफ यू सी, ऑस्ट्रेलिया कुड हैव बीन 2-1 अप आफ्टर ब्रिस्बेन, and then Melbourne में ड्रॉ होता। लॉजिकली स्पीकिंग ऑस्ट्रेलिया शुड हैव वन एडिलाइड एंड ब्रिस्बन, एंड मेलबर्न शुड हैव बीन अ ड्रॉ, and India should have won Sydney. That's, if you see, everybody had, if the games had gone as per the run of play, that was what should have happened. But we were lucky to get away in Brisbane. I think that was a place where we could have capitalized. I think we should have won this game in Sydney. No, there's no doubt. We got the better of the pitch. We batted first. We batted third. I think that was the chance. Batting third with a 4-run lead was absolutely gold dust, I would say, because Australia had to bat last. All the pressure was in Australia, and the way we collapsed. I won't really put too much on Bumrah का। इस हो सकता है, एक ही प्लेयर थोड़ी लेके खेल रहे हैं। We still have four, 5 bowlers in spite of Bumrah. But if we had probably put on maybe 290, 280, uh, I think it would have been a much proper contest. 160 is nowhere. We're just hoping against hope that वो लोग भी collapse हो जाएं और बार बार हम जीत जाएं. But I think that's where we lost the series. I think that third innings in Sydney and the fourth innings in Melbourne, ये दो innings I think is going to really really hurt India big time, and the last innings in Mumbai. I think ये 3 innings की वजह से everything, the season looks very very bad. Rajiv.
राइट, नहीं, एक्सेलेंटली, बहुत बहुत सॉलिडली एक्सप्लेन किया आपने हाउ टू लुक एट दिस सीरीज, प्रीटी गुड। आई कम टू अभिजीत। अभिजीत, आप यू आर एन, ये क्या हो गया अभिजीत को, मतलब बिल्कुल फ्रीज हो गए हैं आप अभिजीत? अभिजीत, हेलो हाय
Yeah,
बोलिए।
I'm there.
हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है। तो ये सीन ये था, आई मीन, भास्कर स्पोक वेरी वेल। आई मीन ही गेव अ गुड एक्सप्लेनेशन अबाउट द थ्री इनिंग्स व्हिच रियली मैटर्ड, व्हिच, आई मीन देयर वर अदर्स आल्सो वेयर वी कुड हैव डन वेल, बट ये तीन मतलब बिल्कुल हाथ में होते हुए हमने गंवा दिया है। तो फेयर एनफ, इट्स अ प्रीटी गुड वन। आप, व्हाई डिड यू थिंक दैट आफ्टर 3-0 ड्रबिंग ऑफ अस, उसके बाद भी आपको इंडिया पे काफी भरोसा था, ही विल डू वेल इन बीजीटी? तो ऐसा क्यों सोचा, और डिड वी कम क्लोज देयर, और व्हाट इज इट, व्हाट रियली disappointed you, I mean, if I have to say? लगता है जरूरत से ज्यादा फ्रीज हो गए तो
इतने नाराज इंडियन टीम से कि मौन व्रत
क्या,
धारण कर
हाँ, वो
लिया
खुद ही
उन्होंने।
फ्रीज, हाँ। मतलब वो अपना रिकॉर्डिंग देखेंगे तो पता चलेगा उनकी आंखें कैसे हिल रही थी स्लो मोशन में। सुनाई दे रहा है आपको अभिजीत? अभिजीत,
Am I visible now?
ये विजिबल
यू आर
ऑलवेज,
विजिबल
बट
बट यू
आप,
आर लाइक फ्रीजिंग।
हाँ, फ्रीजिंग। और ऑडियो, ऑडियो बात तो करें आप।
मैं बात ही कर रहा हूँ।
नहीं नहीं, एक एक वर्ड भी नहीं सुनाई दिया।
Okay.
आप बोलिए, अब आप सुनाई दे रहा है।
मैं ओके सुना इधर ओके ग्रेट सो मेरा तो एक लेवल ऊपर था माइन एंड भास्कर इंजीनियरिंग बैचमेट्स पंकज फ्लोरिया हैड एक्चुअली बॉट अ टिकट फॉर मी फॉर एमसीजी $55 का टिकट खरीदा मेरा ऑस्ट्रेलिया ट्रिप करना था इस दिसंबर में विथ माय डॉटर बट somehow I changed plans somewhere down कि नहीं I'm not that keen on visiting Australia so I didn't make to the trip else मेरा एमसीजी का टिकट था वो टिकट बाद में उसने ब्लैक में भी बेचा उसको पैसा मिला भी अच्छा खासा बट आई वॉज वेरी गंग हो बिकॉज वन इज आफ्टर द 0-3 ड्राइविंग टू न्यूजीलैंड मेरा था कि टीम इतनी गाली खा चुकी है कि दे विल रेस्पॉन्ड बैक दिस इज द यूनिट विच फाइट्स ऑलवेज एंड आई वॉज बैंकिंग ऑन वन थिंग एंड which I kept telling during the series. India should bat first and make 250. 250, 275. India bats first and make 275. India will win every match. That was my mantra because I had full trust on Bumrah, Akashdeep, and Siraj to crack any opposition. Plus, I knew that I expected that बाद में Melbourne, Sydney में थोड़ा बहुत spin होगा तो we have Sundar and Jadeja a good spin attack. But what happened is that Adelaide we didn't bat first. We batted second and that made a big difference. In Gabba, I think it would have still been a draw क्योंकि अगर आकाशदीप वो रन नहीं भी बनाता there was not enough time to bowl out India twice. तो वो तो छोड़ ही दो. तो 1-1 था. Even at 1-1, I was very positive India will win MCG and maybe Sydney also. MCG again, it was a big letdown, and at the end we could have drawn. And I think that moment, what it said, I think I read somewhere about Roger Federer that in Roger Federer's lifetime points, he's just won 52 or 53% of his points, his lifetime. But in the key points, in the big points, he's won around 80-90% of the big points, and that's what differentiates Roger Federer from anybody else. India lost all the big points. ये 1-3 जो है ना, it is not a 1-3 scoreline. Anybody will agree. Anybody will agree because this was a lot closer than 1-3. That punch shot of Travis Head, which was unnecessary, which was outrageous, which was unwarranted. If he had not gone for that in half an hour, that would be a draw. And if that is a draw, then Sydney match alag hota. But the biggest handicap India had was India was always becoming 40-3. And because of that, our entire team balance was hampered. We had to play Washington Sundar and Ravindra Jadeja even with grass-filled pitches because हमें पता हमारी बैटिंग रन नहीं बनेगी हम we were depending on Sundar and Jadeja and Nitish Reddy to make runs whereas they were not going to contribute much on the wickets. I mean it made no sense you were playing Sundar but not giving him a bowl so obviously he was playing as a batsman and the reason for that because we were becoming 40-3. So I totally agree with Bhaskar that after 0-3 at home head should have rolled 3-4 people should have gone and we should have got some youngsters and youngsters ko they would have got international cricket ka experience where we should have persisted with the Padikals and the Jurels and I don't know if I'm missing and maybe Sarfaraz or Ishwarans during this series. It's fine to grow in a greenhorn with so many greenhorns in this series. We had nothing to lose but hoping against hope every match mein ki boss Rohit Sharma up banayega Virat Kohli up banayega we knew it was never going. Virat Kohli made a score when he came to bat at 270 for 2 else he was totally out of place. I think in MCG he made some 30 odd runs. He has made a total of 190 runs in this series, out of which one of them was 100 for no loss. 100 not out. That 100 actually was not required. Us din we had anyways reached a 270 for total. We had already reached a winning total that day. So it is totally up to our top order, and the Rohits, Rahuls, Gills, and Virats are responsible for that. And that impacted our entire team balance. Else, I have no doubt our pace attack was better than Australia. Our overall bowling, including spin attack, was better than Australia. We had a better bowling strength, bowling bench था हमारी डिबेट होता था कि राणा खेलेगा या आकाशदीप खेलेगा जडेजा खेलेगा या अश्विन खेलेगा ये खेलेगा ऑस्ट्रेलिया में ऐसा कोई डिबेट नहीं होता because they didn't really have much bench strength. So Bew Webster why because Marsh kept flopping. So we were really in a very good chance. We just needed to bat first and score 275, but we were not doing that, and that was the big reason. And it's a shame that we could not hit. Actually, by Sydney Test, India first innings batted for 72 overs. Which was more than Perth ka first innings, more than Adelaide ka first innings. We showed some intent to improve, but our top order batsmen just didn't have it to survive. I mean, we are sparing Jaiswal, but the first 3 tests, in the first 3 innings, Jaiswal total played 10 balls. Adelaide, Perth, Adelaide, and Gabaka, first innings. Jaiswal has total played 10 balls. So he's also one of those people responsible for a top order collapse. So, I think it feels bad. But heart to hearts, we all know this was not a 1-3. And India, despite the handicap of 0-3, despite the handicap of 40-3, they fought there. Let's not forget, we are the charismatic boys. We are the rock stars of cricket. Cricket Australia had record attendance, the highest attendance ever in their history. In the last 90 years, first time they had that much attendance because it was Indian team playing. Indian team which was becoming 40 for 3, जो 1-3 हारी है, तुम्हें लगेगा ये तो low interest series if you just see it on paper. But no, they had attendance, they had a camera focused on Virat Kohli all the time. So we are the rock stars of cricket, but our top order, top stars didn't deliver. That's the sad part. Rajiv.
Interesting. I think many of these points you had already mentioned also. This 40 for 3, obviously, you had mentioned many times. And that's what you, before we went to Sydney, you said, ki wo, if we can save that 40 for 3, we can help. So let me tell you, I mean, I want to bring you to that 40 for 3 only. We were 55 or 57 for 2 in Sydney, right? One ball to go, and then Mr. Shubman Gill goes for that outrageous, pathetic of a shot, going ahead and playing Leon. And then कोई बोल रहा था कि मैं somebody in my office showing कि उसको स्लेज किया, ये किया, वो किया. अरे क्या बात कर रहे हैं यार, 4 साल से खेल रहा वो क्या स्लेजिंग नहीं जानता, वो क्या नहीं जानता वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं करके. कांट यू कीप योर माइंड ऑफ दिस थिंग. मतलब ये सब है ना, बातें बनता नहीं है. एंड देन शुभमन गिल डिड द सेम थिंग इन द सेकंड इनिंग्स आल्सो. So, see, if we look at our batters, and I just wanted to, so you might all like to pick up one batter whom you want to talk about. I would like to personally talk about Rohit Sharma, and then maybe Bhaskar can talk about Virat Kohli, and then Abhijit, you can talk about Jaiswal, KL Rahul, and Shubman Gill. So, the way it goes is KL Rahul पहला बहुत अच्छा स्टार्ट किया. एज यूजुअल ही वेंट डाउन 30 का एवरेज, जो उसके करियर एवरेज से कम है. जायसवाल जैसे आपने बोला कि मेलबर्न बहुत अच्छा खेला, 1 इनिंग्स इन पर्थ, उसके बाद फ्लॉप शो. गिल तो कहना ही नहीं है, मतलब वो तो जो फ्लॉप तो था सो था. रोहित शर्मा को तो बैट ही नहीं लग रहा था. एंड विराट कोहली वी ऑल नो, आज वो मीम भी भेजा आपको, पूरे के पूरे ऑफ स्टंप पे 8 इनिंग्स, 9 में से 8 इनिंग्स ऑफ स्टंप पे डालते हुए गया. स्कॉट बॉलैंड ये तक बोला बोला कि वो जैसे ही कोहली गेट्स अ बिट बेटर एंड हिज लेग स्टार्ट मूविंग बेटर, we know he will go for the shot and then we'll attempt to put it on the channel. तो लास्ट 2-3 इनिंग्स में क्या कर रहा था, वो छोड़ने की बहुत कोशिश कर रहा था विराट कोहली. तो उन्होंने कहा ठीक है अभी नहीं डालेंगे उसको. तो जैसे ही थोड़े शॉट्स आए, वो ट्राई करने लगा, तब इन्होंने चैनल में डाला और उसको गद्दा बोच लिया वहां पे. सो ये है हालत. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू गिव अ स्मॉल 1-2 लाइंस अबाउट रोहित शर्मा. Rohit Sharma doesn't deserve even a single place in this test team for the simple reason उसको बैटिंग नहीं हो रहा है. Let us just get it straight. बाकी सब ने कुछ तो ट्राई किया, ये किया, विराट कोहली भी कुछ ये किया. शुभमन गिल लुक वेरी डिसेंट इन एडिलेड ऑनेस्टली. जायसवाल तो 160 मारा. केएल राहुल प्लेड वेरी वेल. अब अ कैप्टन ऑफ द टीम कम्स फॉर द सेकंड टेस्ट और कहता है कि नहीं मैं नंबर 6 जाऊंगा. क्यों नंबर 6 जाओगे भाई? नंबर 6 डेजिग्नेटेड केएल राहुल है. तुम्हें नंबर 1 जाना था. तुम नंबर 1 इसलिए नहीं गए क्योंकि तुम्हें कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं है कि नंबर 1 कुछ करोगे करके. उसके बाद 2 तुम 6 पे खेलते हो जहां तुम्हें कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, तो तुम वापस 1 गए और उसको नंबर 3 भेज दिया. मतलब ये है रोहित शर्मा का हालत. एंड देन ही डज अ पीआर बेस्ड इंटरव्यू इन सिडनी सेइंग कि मैं ये करूंगा वो करूंगा. अबे क्या है, मतलब व्हाट? I mean, see, Rohit, and I feel very sad for it. Rohit Sharma would have probably been the man of the year for what he pulled off in 2024. He orchestrated that series win against England. उसने पर्सनली अपने ऊपर लिया और बोला मैं जिता के देता हूँ. जो फर्स्ट टेस्ट मैच आ रहा, क्या 2 सेंचुरी बनाया और यंगस्टर्स के साथ टीम को कैसे तो भी मोटिवेट करके मैच जिता के दिया सीरीज. सब कुछ सही चल रहा था न्यूजीलैंड के साथ, जो हुआ सो हुआ. बट इट हैपेंड बिकॉज आपकी बैटिंग नहीं हो रही है. एंड देन I mean, it was a selfless move to stop not playing in Sydney. But यार मतलब अब वो ना खेले तो बेटर है. ऑनेस्टली मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ना खेले तो बेटर है. बट वेरी वेरी पुअर. अगर 10 का रेटिंग होगा तो मैं उसका 1 देना भी मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. कैप्टनसी भी थर्ड क्लास था ऑनेस्टली मैं बताऊँ तो. ये मैं बोल रहा हूँ. तो ये मेरा रोहित शर्मा का है. भास्कर, विराट के बारे में आप कुछ बताएं एंड देन विल गो टू अभिजीत.
Yeah, I will just say one thing about Rohit Sharma. See, I don't, this selflessness and all is okay. Everybody is selfless. Yeah, is other players selfish? Is Ashwin selfish? Is Bumrah selfish? Yeah, selfless. Why is this word used only for one player all the time? So it's just, I don't look too much into being selfless. 47 पे मार के out हो गया तो selfless. This is nothing. I don't think this makes much of a sense. Every player has to be selfless when you're playing for the country. Okay, so but Rohit Sharma being selfless and being dropping himself really shows a very Ajit Agarkar in very very bad light. What is it there for? Why do you have a Why do you have a selector when people have to drop themselves? Isn't it? Why would Rohit Sharma have to retire or drop himself? Why are the selectors for them? Selectors are there for people to select themselves. It doesn't make any sense for me. If people have to drop themselves, okay, now Shubman Gill has to drop himself, be selfless and drop himself. KL Rahul has to be selfless and drop himself because runs are not coming. Doesn't make any sense to me. The selectors are that do a job. Okay, once the 15 is selected, it's the captain's duty to select the 15. But we had a selector who traveled all the way to Australia just for the same for that specific purpose. They did a like they were forced to make a change when Tanush Kotian was brought in. So I think the selflessness doesn't go too well for me. Like every player has to be selfless when they're playing for the nation. Virat Kohli, I think that's where the problem is. Why we were hoping that we are going to do well in Australia because Virat Kohli है तो एक it's very difficult to believe that accept that he is not the greatest of all times. You know, we just can't accept it. वो digest करना अपने लिए मुश्किल है कि Steven Smith, Joe Root, Kane Williamson, all are doing brilliantly, all averaging in early 50s, and Virat Kohli's average has dropped to 46. It's just like ये था कि विराट कोहली अभी तो फेल नहीं होगा, इतना फेल होगा अभी तो बनाएगा. मतलब it's not because that all-time great players usually do it. I don't remember any other all-time great who has fallen off so badly. All-time great in the sense a person who's really up there with the greatest of all times, not Lakshman or Dilip Vengsarkar kind of players, but Sachin, Dravid, Ponting, Kallis, Sangakkara, maybe Mahela, maybe a little bit, where his average dropped to below 50, maybe a bit of Inzamam, again 49. But Virat just keeps going down and down. We can't even accept that Mahela is better than Virat or Yunus Khan has got a better record than Virat. So I think that's where we still had a lot of hope. I don't know, I think Abhijit was more realistic, saying that Virat जो रन बनाया है वो बट वो एक सेंचुरी बनाया तो ऐसा लगा कि अरे 500 वाला सीरीज आ जाएगा, 600 वाला सीरीज आ जाएगा. तो बट वो नहीं हो रहा था. सो आई थिंक दैट्स वेयर द प्रॉब्लम इज. चैनल वगैरह ठीक है, टेक्निकल इश्यूज है, बट दीस आर द काइंड ऑफ बॉल्स ही इज बीन प्लेइंग. पीपल आर बॉलिंग आउटसाइड ऑफ स्टंप ऑल हिज लाइफ. ऐसा नहीं कि हमेशा एज ही कर रहा था. एज होके एवरी प्लेयर इज वल्नरेबल टू अ स्नेक. बट इतना है कि ये जस्ट हैपेंड सो ऑफन दैट ही स्टार्टेड लुकिंग अ बिट शीपिश. व्हेन ही वेंट फॉर दैट पुल एंड दैट रन बन 4 आ गया, तभी एक सडन होप आ गया था कि चलो अभी तो वो एक क्रैकिंग मैच विनिंग नॉक सिडनी में खेल लेगा सेकंड इनिंग्स में, बिकॉज इतना डिफिकल्ट पिच है. इफ एट ऑल एनीबडी कैन बैट, इट्स विराट कोहली. सो वो एक जो हमको वी गॉट यूज्ड टू इट. आई थिंक दैट्स वेयर इट्स रियली हर्ट्स दैट विराट इज नॉट द ऑल टाइम ग्रेट वी वर लुकिंग फॉर. राजीव.
एक्चुअली बिफोर आई गो टू अभिजीत, मैं एक चीज बोलूंगा. विराट कोहली जैसे ही मेलबर्न में फ्लॉप हुआ ना, आई वॉज कन्विंस्ड कि सिडनी में कुछ नहीं करेगा करके. ये मैं बोला भी था कि नहीं कर पाएगा, वो नहीं हो रहा था उससे. चलिए अभिजीत, मैं आपके पास जाता हूँ. यू कैन स्पीक अबाउट रोहित, विराट, बट द अदर थ्री मेजरली व्हाट रियली वेयर यू वांट टू फोकस.
No, so I'll speak on the point of Agarkar being on tour. Agarkar being on tour could not stop Ashwin from leaving the camp and going midway. Whatever the reasons, if Ashwin was, if Ashwin cannot make a condition कि बस मुझे Adelaide में नहीं खिलाओगे तो I will not be part of the team. Then वो पहले बोल देता select ही नहीं करता squad में. It doesn't look nice when a squad is touring at a very tough destination. They are 1-0 ahead, then 1-1, and suddenly a prime legend just huffs and puffs and goes away. So I don't think Agarkar being there has helped at all. On Virat's innings in Perth, I should remind you all that in Perth when Virat came into bat, there was a mini collapse. Devdutt Padikkal out हो गया था, Jaiswal out हो गया था, और Pant out हो गया था. वहां पे Virat was again looking fidgety, and it was Nitish Reddy there who started hitting shots. Nitish Reddy or Washington Sundar, I forgot who came to bat first. One of them started. Then they took control of the situation. फिर Virat बाद में खुला. So it was very evident that he is no way the king. And now, speaking of king, let me come to the Prince Gill. Okay, Prince Gill ka average in Sena countries is 17. This is one person जो 2021 में वो क्या बोले गैबा का 91 या 94 जो भी बनाया था, उसके कोटे में 4 साल खेला है ओवरसीज. It's literally like a reservation berth वो पकड़ के रखा. As I have said multiple times in this podcast, in 4 years since debut, Dravid was the best batsman in the world. Saurav Ganguly was captain of the Indian team. So we have Pujara in 4 years was the most dependable batsman in the team. So
even Dhoni was the
Gill
captain.
Is nowhere.
Dhoni was the captain.
Dhoni had also become captain within 4 years. In less than 4 years if I'm not wrong. So was Pujara का जो भी है, sorry, Gill का जो भी है, Gill has to go back. I don't think he's the prince. We should stop hyping him. Somebody actually, I think as Badrinath told in the papers today, and I totally agree with him. Had Gill come from Tamil Nadu, he would have been dropped a lot earlier. I totally agree with that. There is a lot of favoritism होता है team में and all that. Same goes for KL Rahul. KL Rahul team में बहुत time रहा है on some quota. He started very well, but Sanjay Manjrekar had told about KL Rahul in that 2019 World Cup semi-final when he got out to the New Zealand pace bowler. So he said that KL Rahul has been playing the World Cup so well, but the thing about KL Rahul is suddenly one day he'll come out and play so poorly that you'll think that he has been months out of form. मतलब KL Rahul के साथ यही history है. He stays in form for a few weeks, then suddenly he'll be out of, and it is least expected when he goes out of form, and then he stays out of form very 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 long time. But of course KL Rahul अपने तरफ से बोल सकता है कि नहीं boss, I was opening well, suddenly Rohit comes in, he takes off my position, मेरा game बिगड़ गया. He can obviously give that excuse. Jaiswal, you can't really tell much about a player who's the highest scorer in the series for India. The 150-60 which is scored in Perth, then 280s. But needless to say, he's young. He's made mistakes. The first innings of the first three tests, he really went out for shots he should not have. Similarly, in the Gabba test, he went out for that hook or pull, whatever he attempted. That was not, it's not Gabba, MCG. That was not there. So he's made mistakes, but he's young, he's rising, and he will realize. So I mean, nothing against this guy, nor against Apna Pushpa Reddy, one of the biggest stars of the series. And I think Washington Sundar has also, as a batsman, he's come back unblemished. He's made an important contribution in Perth. He's made 2 important contributions in MCG. He also comes back, and in SCG first innings, he was wrongly given out. So Washington Sundar also, as a batsman, has come back unblemished. Rajiv.
Very good, very good. Thanks. I think we have covered well, and yeah, you're right, because Nitish Reddy and Jaiswal, we have to give that they are new people. थोड़ा बहुत तो यार गलतियां उन पे बनता है, होता है. Everybody does that, so it's perfectly fine. And Washington Sundar was good, but Washington Sundar actually the thing gets me to one piece. Now what suddenly from Brisbane these guys did is कि ये कॉम्बिनेशन के लिए खेलने लग गया. ठीक है, ये क्या किए, कॉम्बिनेशन, मुझे कॉम्बिनेशन चाहिए. तो तुम साला ओडीआई क्रिकेट में तुम 8 तक बैट्समैन नहीं लिया, लेकिन टेस्ट क्रिकेट में तुमको 8 तक बैट्समैन चाहिए. टेस्ट क्रिकेट विच इज अ स्पेशलिस्ट जोन, राइट. लेकिन तुमको वो 8 बैट्समैन चाहिए. तो हर मैच में तुमने 5 बैटर, ये 3 ऑलराउंडर जडेजा, नीतीश रेड्डी और वॉशिंगटन सुंदर को खिलाया. तो हो क्या गया कि आपका सिर्फ 3 बॉलर बच गया, जसप्रीत, आकाशदीप, सिराज. ठीक है. Now, so what is happening is you can't play a fourth pacer if you required, which was Sydney में शायद fourth pacer बनता था, not because Bumrah was getting could have been injured. No, generally fourth pacer बनने में क्या problem है? And in MCG you required a top class spinner. बिना स्पिनर के आप कैसे खेल सकते हो यार? And that spinner was nobody but अश्विन. लेकिन अश्विन तो भाग गया, चला गया. तो इन लोगों से हुआ नहीं, क्योंकि Ashwin's record in MCG is terrific, मतलब terrific, but नहीं खेल पाए ना आप. So because आपको कॉम्बिनेशन खिलाना है. तो मैं आ रहा हूं आपके पास भास्कर. So ये जो पूरा ड्रामा है ना, कि ना आपने स्पेशलिस्ट एक बैटर खिलाया, that specialist batter could have been सरफराज. तो सिडनी, it all boils down to सिडनी टेस्ट, बिकॉज आपको कॉम्बिनेशन खिलाना था. मैं मान सकता हूँ एमसीजी में, चलो आपने सोचा कि ठीक है कॉम्बिनेशन रहेगा, अच्छा रहेगा, वी कैन प्ले वेल एंड ऑल दो स्टफ. दे डिडंट नो कि सुंदर का स्पिन नहीं चलेगा, ये सब नहीं पता था, मान लिया. लेकिन सिडनी में तो पता था ना. तो आपने ना सरफराज जैसा एक प्योर बैटर नंबर 6 पे खिलाया, नहीं खिलाया आपने. ना आपने एक बॉलर खिलाया, एक पेस बॉलर खिलाया, जो मतलब जो भी हो जाए 4 लोग, यू ऑलरेडी नो बुमराह इज ऑन द पंप, तो आप 3 पेसर रखेंगे आप अपने पास. थे पेसर हमारे पास. तो हाउ डू यू सी इट? आई मीन दिस मतलब स्पेशलिस्ट क्यों नहीं खिला सकते? बिकॉज आपको कॉम्बिनेशन खेलना है ना. अभी भी वही होगा, गलतियां बैटर ने किया, चमड़ी उधेड़ी जाएगी बॉलर की, कोई बॉलर ही इसका हर्जाना भरेगा. देखते रहो आप. भास्कर आपके पास.
हाँ, मैं क्या कह रहा था कि अगर वॉशिंगटन सुंदर को ऐसा स्पिनर खिलाया तो थोड़े ओवर्स तो देना चाहिए उनको ना. मतलब ही वाज ब्रिलियंट इन द 2 टेस्ट इन इंडिया एंड दैट्स व्हाई ही प्लेड द पर्थ टेस्ट मैच. ठीक है, तो उसको अगर आप, अभी अश्विन तो चला गया, लाइक he's a finished chapter. But when Washington Sundar has been picked as one of the main spinners, he's not been picked as a batsman. He's a good batsman. I'm not saying no, but he's not one of the top batsmen in the country, or he's not one of the top prospects in the country. Like say Sai Sudarshan or Padikkal. They are like proper batsmen, whom we expect them to score hundreds. Okay, Washington Sundar, if he scores a 50, we are happy, which is not really, you don't really need to be happy with, because he's been so good in crucial circumstances. We say he's done his job, but that's not what we are looking for at number 8. He will have to bowl well, or else he has to bat as a top player, top order batsman, and score hundreds. Okay, just because Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma and what do you call, I keep saying KPS Gill for some reason, Shubman Gill and uh,
Rahul.
KL Rahul don't score runs, we feel happy that Reddy has scored a 40. Reddy scoring 40 at number 6, number 7. If he's not going to take wickets, of no use. Of course, that 100 in Gabba, like MCG is brilliant. MCG, right? Or
MCG,
Brisbane?
MCG.
MCG.
The 100 was
MCG,
brilliant.
MCG.
Yeah. MCG 100 was brilliant. Like a man who scored 100 on a Boxing Day Test match in Melbourne. It's huge. It's really huge. But I don't look into too much into his 40s and 30s, because if you're not going to be taking wickets, 40s and 30s are not enough for a player to play in the team. You need to be scoring hundreds. If Bumrah scores a 40, or a Ashwin who takes 4, 5, 6 wickets scores a 40, or a Jadeja who runs through sides in India. Jadeja is a world-class spinner in India. We keep forgetting because of his total ineffectiveness overseas. He's probably he is there as a premier spinner. He hardly bowls, unfortunately, out overseas. But I think that's where the problem is. We feel happy, we feel contented with the Washington Sundar scoring a 50, or Nitish Reddy scoring a 45, or a Jadeja scoring 177. But that's not what we want. If they're not going to be bowling, they better be scoring hundreds. That's my point. And except for Jaiswal, and of course we've been playing only 4 genuine batsmen. We keep forgetting that there was a time when pure batsmen were the ones who were picked only for their batting skills. We have a full-time wicket keeping is a full-time job. We keep forgetting that. We keep talking about Pant's batting all the time. He's the one who's been performing. If you see his batting average is 42, which is like one of the greatest batting averages for a wicket keeper. If you see only, I think, pure wicket keepers, I think maybe, of course, Adam Gilchrist, Andy Flower, and Kumara Sangakkara in those 48 matches where he kept are the only 3 wicket keepers I can think of who are ahead of Pant playing as a wicket keeper. So I think Pant, we don't really need to worry too much about him. There's too much being said about his batting, whereas he is primarily a wicket keeper. Wicket keeping is a specialist job, and his keeping was like spotless. That's something we need to look at.
True.
Keeping in Australia, when ball
True.
is bouncing, ball is kicking. I think I didn't hear anybody speaking about Pant's brilliant keeping. Did he drop a
True.
catch? No. Maybe some buys he saved were brilliant. And some buys
True.
went because it was so down the leg and it was not given a wide. So it was, but Pant was, I think, did a great job. Of course, he played brilliantly in the last test match. So I don't think we need to talk too much about, except for the Melbourne shot in the second innings, not even the first innings, because first innings, he was going for runs and there was no fine leg. There was a third man and he got caught in the third man, and that shot comes off very often. So when it comes off, he scores 60, 70. People say that's how he scores. But second innings, there was no need for scoring any runs. वो सिर्फ defend करता था काफी था, and he was doing that. So that's where only this thing. But for that, I think the team combination, we need to go back to what Saurav Ganguly started. I think Ganguly was one player. He knew people's roles very well. 6 batsmen, 1 wicket keeper, uh, Anil Kumble, or 1 spinner, and then we have 3 fast bowlers, and then batsmen used to contribute with the ball. I think that's not happening. That's why we keep seeing Nitish Reddy playing and Jadeja playing Washington, because of course they're all playing because they're primarily, like, of course Jadeja and Washington are primarily bowlers. Nitish Reddy is just a fringe batsman. He scored 100 here, brilliant 100. All credit to him for that. But are we going to look at that kind of players for the future, or do we want, say, a Padikkal, a Jurel, a Sarfraz, who can really score big runs, and people who can take like 5-wicket hauls, like Harshit Rana, or maybe even a Mano Sutar, a spinner. We are looking, even Tanish Kotian, the kind of spinners we are looking at are all, can he bat? Can he bat? That's the only thing we are looking at. Are we looking at bowlers who can really win us games with the ball? Rajiv.
एब्सोल्युटली, आई टोटली एग्री विथ यू। ये बात तो पक्की बात है कि स्पेशलिस्ट नहीं रहेगा तो टीम नहीं जीतेगा। एंड ये जो बिट्स एंड पीसेस का जो कल्चर टेस्ट में आ रहा है, इट्स नॉट ग्रेट। चलिए अभिजीत, सेम क्वेश्चन आपको भी दे रहा हूँ। थोड़ा जल्दी बोलिए, टाइम नहीं है इतना।
No,
बाबू जी।
I completely agree with. Yeah, I completely agree with Bhaskar's summation out here. But it's just that we were carrying हम top order को हम we were not willing to replace. We were not willing to get a Padikkal or a Jurel or a Ishwaran or a Sarfaraz into the 11 into the top 4 5 despite our stars failing, and that is the reason why all this happened. Ajif.
Yeah, I think we have to look at. I hope they start looking at it. Now, one comment came from Gautam Gambhir in his press conference, and also Sunil Gavaskar also said, 23rd Jan को रणजी का second phase start हो रहा है. Do you think all should go back and play? मेरे हिसाब
It's
से
not going to happen.
yeah, it's a
It's not going
good.
to.
So फिर क्यों, मतलब फिर यार, फिर कुछ तो बोलो बॉस, तुम नहीं खेल पाए यहाँ पे, क्यों नहीं खेल रहे हो तुम?
So I don't remember. Somebody commented this. Going back to domestic is one of the lamest excuses. Sarfaraz is an average of X in domestic. Ishwaran is an average of X in domestic. Both of them were carrying drinks the entire series. Somebody commented that.
Shishir
So
Shishir Hattangadi.
हटंगड़ी, हाँ हटंगड़ी, हाँ.
Shooting hundred. I think y'all only passed it in the group. So till we and it's a catch-22 situation because our stars are the one who get all the balls. Why Cricket Australia had record attendance? It was because of the presence of Rohit Sharma and Bumrah and Virat and Gill and all that. So what do we do if we drop them? There are other non-cricketing reasons, but I think India will have to do something. It is very difficult for India to move away from flair and stardom to grit and determination. That is never going to happen, but they have to get it mixed somewhere. The problem now has happened is all these youngsters, the Jurels and Padikkals and all. Jurel and Padikkal got one game after many, many months. They got to play in Perth and prove yourself. Okay, now you didn't get to score a 50, you both are dropped. But that rule doesn't apply for Gill and Virat and Rohit and all that. Now these two guys may next play in Birmingham 6 months down from now. And then they have to score a 50. If they don't score a 50, then again get dropped. So that it's and they can't even say no, we were in an era where Rohit and Virat and Gill were playing very well. That is not true. They are in an era where Rohit and Gill and Virat and KL Rahul are struggling, but have just been continued and continued and continued because people keep praising them. The amount, see, I agree with this Pant assumption, total जो इसने बोला conclusion जो भास्कर ने बोला. Pant was keeping wickets for a huge number of overs. Besides, by the time he goes and sits in the pavilion, very soon it's 40 for 3 years to come out and bat. Every other day that was happening. But Gavaskar had stupid for Pant. I can't see Gavaskar now criticizing Rohit and Virat and Gill and KL Rahul as much. And these people don't get criticized. They keep they keep escaping all sorts of criticism. I don't think sending them to domestic will help. Problem is very soon we'll have T20 versus England. I think from 22nd Jan. Then IPL comes. Then Champions Trophy. We'll forget all this, and then we'll pick the recent group of stars as of May and take them June to England. And bus the new story there. Imagine Nitish Reddy scores a lot of runs in IPL. He is definite starter in the England test, irrespective of the other 11. So it has become like that now. Rajiv.
Yeah. Right, so we don't have much time. We have probably 30 seconds, so I'll wrap it up. So thanks for joining in and giving all your comments. I think we were very, very strong comments we had. But we'll do this again. We'll probably catch up sometime in the weekend or something and see what we can plan for the upcoming thing. What do we do? ये WTC गया, but next 2027 में cycle है, so you can probably plan better. So let's see and talk about it. Thank you guys. Thanks. That was really good. We had a great discussion. Thank you and good night.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.